Ariana Biermann, 20, refused to take a breathalyzer test right after her DUI arrest on Sunday morning, according to a police report obtained by People. The daughter of Kim Zolciak was driving her black Mercedes G-Wagon when she got into a collision with another car around 1 a.m. in Atlanta, Georgia. It led to her getting arrested and cited for the DUI that made headlines all weekend. A report from the Forsyth County Sheriff's Office claims that even though an officer smelled alcohol on her breath, she denied drinking any alcoholic beverages. She did reportedly, however, admit to smoking a THC vape pen the night before when the officer took it out of her bag. The report also stated that Ariana had a noticeable sway at the time of a field sobriety test and after she underwent a horizontal gaze nystagmus evaluation. The officer said they observed 4 out of 6 clues that she was intoxicated. Her driver's license was then taken away as she was booked in Forsyth County Jail and she charged with 3 misdemeanors, including driving under the influence of alcohol, improper/erratic lane change, and underage possession/purchase of alcohol, the report further stated. She's since been released on $5,120 bond, People reported. In addition to Ariana, her boyfriend, Hudson McLeroy, was arrested for allegedly driving under the influence and allegedly furnishing alcohol to a minor and violating the conditions of his limited driving permit. Ariana's lawyer, Justin Spisman, gave a statement to Hollywood Life shortly after the arrests. Articles trending now. Trending now. Annette Bening, 64, and Warren Beatty, 85, spotted on sexy date night in rare public photo. Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck hosting second 3-day wedding in Georgia. It'll be all about J-Lo. Jennifer Lopez bonds with Ben Affleck's daughter Violet, 16, in NYC, photos. Ariana was involved in a minor fender bender. When police arrived on scene, the investigating officer immediately initiated an investigation for DUI, the lawyer's statement read. Despite Ariana's constant invocation that she was upset and anxious from the minor accident, the officer incorrectly concluded she was impaired by alcohol. That was not the case. She wholly denies these allegations and intends to fight these charges because she is not guilty of them.